preparation?
Well, we have to be serious about it na kasi malapit na rin ang opening. So, we're trying to build. Galing kami ng training camp. I think that's a big factor and a big key for our preparation. So, laking bagay, dami namin nagawa, dami namin na-cover. Hopefully, we get better every day. My thing dito sa team namin is for us to have that baby steps. We do baby steps lang kami. We're not gonna sprint right away. So unti-unti lang. Every day we get better, we improve. That's how it is. I mean, tingnan namin kung saan kami makakarating. But for now, our focus is on getting better on our execution and getting better on our system. Chemistry-wise, system-wise, we have to get better. And malaking bagay nangyari sa amin yung training camp. I think yun yung isang factor with our preparation. Laking bagay no. And then, yun nga, went straight today and played against Phoenix. So, I was really expecting that we're gonna be like, a team that really like, na talagang hala namin magulo ang mangyayari, but it turns out na not because we won the tune-up game, but overall, whether we win or we lose on this game, I think overall maganda yung nakita namin sa coaching staff. Hindi namin ina-expect na ganun yung lalaroin ng mga players. So from here we build. So we build from here. So hopefully sa mga susunod na mga araw, sa mga practices, we continue to improve the things now. But obviously, marami pa kami kailangan improve. Marami pa kailangan execution-wise, defensive-wise, habits. Yung habits na ginawa nila for the past years, kailangan talaga ibahin. So yung iba doon, kailangan ibahin with the system that we have right now. So unti-unti lang. But I like what I'm seeing as coaching staff. Every time we talk, maganda yung nakikita namin. The good thing about this team is they're willing to learn. Even our vets, Mark Baroka and Ian, they came off the bench. They're still leading the team. They're willing to learn. They have a lot of questions. Pag ganun yung veterano mo, yung mga young players will follow. The respect, the more na makukuha nila sa mga young players. And that's what I like with this team. Combination of vets and the young players. And they really work hard. And I'm sure that it will pay off. It will pay off.
Javi, kamusta yung niya?
Javi is getting his groove. He knows his spots. He's getting it. But overall, he's a big weapon for us. Kaya namin siya kinuha. He's a big weapon for us. Definitely.